games our brought 2 games na one more club back at your film. Now Arsenal about 34, one more hour 77, Liverpool about 34, one more hour 74, and Ababakua, your father's a Man City, one more 32 hour 73, BBI Timisi our brother tree, your Brighton our fear our Bromosu Gamer, and Barcelona, one more some other Man City and Alban Alcatena, your father's a Julian Alvarez and was say, only the best work can you answer, Requena Cas and more than Adiamabakua, your father's Man City, Wabramo Kobo Champions League, Nanko Bianim say, Man City ever qualify, Man City Antimian qualify, and they will be enemy the Alcocosi, one more break game against Chelsea, and some Wembley, and I just will be on Sompa, one more suffer from burnout in Inano, one more quiet Jumaten Emma Saita, your father's Man City Aquafina, now Boyne say, some poor Amantimi and your troubler, and you can say be a double, Ashubabakua, your father's Man City, our automatically, I could never watch you say, Yamiarama FA Cup, Abaso, where I have fine, not Manchester Derby, I was some Man City edge and watch a Premier League, but they say matches I can, woman some other come our bro, so can be also, woman some edge Eddie's woman also. Now you be some manager, your father's pop, Gajola so penny, now and you be a city, Arsenal for near Bre, our Mopeli Giati, and said an Liverpool for near Bra, woman to call and way, and you be a son of Man City, so when you Bre, I'm Premier League Nati, and was where you said you can't so be catch all. Nasanka Man City and Imre say, what Premier League Gatia, and come on, baby, I'm going to do baby and Quackabaso, Man City has a Manchester, and Shedan Cross said, yeah, I was a secret, and I didn't know. Now, my friend said, I grow Man City, baby, one some other tree, and so I trust Omo League, and watch it. And I am some proud trainer, one game ever so manager, your father's a Pep Guardiola, and some other tones and trophy him.
Otherwise, like I said before in the first question, I answer will not be here. So there are many games, and to arrive in that position after we have done in the past, not just last season was exceptions, the previous ones, be possible. So knowing that difficulty is extreme, so will be really difficult because you have the tough games tomorrow, the first, and Nottingham playing for relegation, and Fulham away like Fulham at home have been amazing all season. So it will be tough until the end. It's one game at a time, so we know exactly that if we lose it will be so difficult.
Yes, not just no, I am some other scabulous of Man City, one more manager. Your fan say yourself, Pep Guardiola, and I'll test Medina except Emma. On one case, some of you say so many, no lose so much back, and I say, be a Man City Bobo Kono, woman so called dropping points. I better jumpa, I better tough. No, I'm gonna find a game at a time. I just no my update the free manager, and so I tell our brass still on title wrestling, may boss our manager, fan set Tana Kenra, one that is some Abana Ansana, Meba Ayachas Arsenal, no man you na fe, Ayachas Liverpool and Samuelsono. When you said Yaman can say, you catch us at Chelsea and monitor strikers. Now strikers at Chelsea Apano, what can say between Bakwana Chess at Dimity to me, and some I have Victor Simenabium, and so I have Katana, what Paul Adama Leipzig, our German I have fun say, Benjamin Sesko, say, Geminian Sabueno, and I chess at Chelsea for the United States party, Obiana ready to say your back can be now say over TV Sampa, Ebia Chelsea Alcofa player, your fans Sesko at the number, just I will train Emma Testament Alcoa area, Nebia possibly wash it, say Yamia my next man to Robert TBB, and I said your own TBB number Omunya Sesko, woman to the Abasa 1, the edge of form, and I felt 2, and also bet me up and your man, and some let me Kama, and so Adiama Timono. Now, Jameson can say, in the last I have few hours from an pay, and some other Cosell Machindia. Now, yet is a manager now, Yatuma, and some Adama Bologna, your father said Tiago Mota, one of Ayobiana, Chelsea Fonos, and Monetary Kakra. Now, Jameson can say, woman Yamaki any approach, almost say, one more appreciate a Jumana, manager father said Tiago Mota, and some our Italy. Now said you'll be up manager Barcelona. Yes, Chelsea in Panafono so say, Tiawa, woman some ball manager Basom 3% day, one of some animal Juma, wɔn so da so monitor manager no ɛnso situation ade ba kono sɛ genti ɛbɛtɔ twa sɛ manager yɛfa no sɛ Mauricio Pochettino okaya medemana no sɛ ansom now no bibia atwa sɛ ɔbɛkɔ so ayɛ adwuma no ɛnso ade ama Chelsea wɔn nya ɔmatwe so wɔn pamo no nɛ ɛnso apamo no kyena ɛwɔ abran komodie kra bɛkɔ so a ɛgye sɛ Chelsea ɛwie season no woka sɛ miame sɛ de bɛtu twa sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ mumia mabɔso bɛsa sɛ suudie mobɛkɔ so super sɛ na bɔ no ɛnso mabɛsi ayɛ ɛne sia na bɔ no ɛbɛkɔ die a ɛne mo embrace anasɛ mpo mo fasten ɛyɛ mo seat belt ɛsan sɛ ɛmo bɛyɛ den paa na gyamensɛ kan nyina no sɛ yɛsɛ mparifo no wɔ kyiriɛ bi sɛ asɛ manager no ɔyɛ soft dodo wɔn mmerɛ ebi na no na meka sɛ wobɔn sɛ coach bi gyina dugout a na wɔteɛ ne mmeranteɛ tiam kam tia player na ndwo so na mo na wo sɛ tatatata masa manager no kɔ nim kɔtɔ no ma usuro ɛnyɛ die ya ogyina hɔ a so ogyina hɔ nie ɛwɔ bɔ Pochettino ntia player wɔn kasa ntone nsa ma direction wɔn sɛ wɔn koba sana fei ɛkyere wɔn nwunu na wɔn sɛ manager no yɛ place no bi awɔ Chelsea a wɔn asa brutal na so coach wi ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔbɔ boys n'akyi manager ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a wɔyɛ tough awɔ boys no so sɛ wohwie nneɛma atena bench bɛ sɛ bi a 3 matches atoa so na sɛ bi a bɔ no wonya bi ma wɔbi nka nkyɛw sɛ pagya mmɔtempom wɔbɛpagya mmɔtempom daabi ɛnyɛ saa na manager yi ɛnso ɛyɛ nti no wonder sɛ yɛsɛ Chelsea foɔ no yɛsɛ players no mu anaasɛ deɛ nti a wɔde wɔn support Pochettino sɛ awɔ support ɛsɛn sɛ ayi ana kyɛ sɛ wɔn ti ne yɛ ba so wɔn manager no kɔ so yɛ adwuma ɛbɛboa ɛsɛn sɛ wɔabuild ɛyɛ team spirit akyɛ sɛ at a faster rate ama nneɛma ɛkɔ yie ɛno wɔkyi yɛsɛ manager no so ti ne yɛ ba sɛ ne nneɛma ɔdi gu akwam ɛnso wɔde ama boys no nyinaa no sɛ ɛbɛstart sɛ ɛyɛ the resource ɛbɛstart sɛ ɛbɛ fruit a ɛgye sɛ ɔmo twɛn ama next season ɛba wɔsɛ ɔbɛka yɛ saa na ɔkɔ Tottenham ɛkɔyɛ ne first season no ankɔyɛ ne mum ne second season ɛna start sɛ ɛfa ɛnso ama Tottenham team no na yɛsɛ Chelsea for boys no deɛ wɔn ɛwɔ gyidie bi sɛ manager wei no wahyɛw de ɔmo akyɛ ɔnsanka coach bi a sɛ bi a Joseph bi anaasɛ manager bi a mani tua ɛyɛ ne ɔbɔ wudin ɛwɔ nsɛntwerɛfoɔ na kyɛ sɛ wayiw ade wɔma nsɛntwerɛfoɔ na kyɛ sɛ wɔde wɔto tankuruwam na so ɔntan te da sɛ manager wei ɛde blame ɛbɔ ne player so bɛte ai da bia yɛ young team na no crowd so ɔntumi mfa so boɔ no ɛmɔ ne players so ɔmo gye enum ɛwɔ Arsenal ɛnsa no adan a circumstances no ɛso ɛnso ɔkyɛn boys no yɛsɛ boys no ni so pass abere bia manager no ɛhyew de ɔmo kame mu ɔmo nam so yɛ yate mo nkɔ so na mo hwie saa na mo nka sɛ manager hyew de mo akyɛ sɛ no update ɛba Manchester for no meti sɛ afei deɛ ɔmo players ɔmo so ɔmo to transfer ɛyɛ maako 11 ɛsɛ sɛ no a wabra captain Bruno ɛnso ɛkɔ wie game no yes man na so sɛ ya na ɔmo kɔbusa Bruno so pani na anyabia no sɛ yɛ na manfo di matampa o ana Bruno say the moment wagya tum so bɛsi akama team bi ade sɛ Manchester United no I was so tum sa atam ne die no ɛka o ayɛ part of the job nti abasa ne kwan so man ha Christian sɛ Manchester on nneɛma no ayɛ very demanding obi nka kyerɛ sɛ yɛrɛ ho ana obi nso nka kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɔbɔ ɛdema man unte ɛde bɛdi atema criticize o ɛwɔ abra nneɛma nhyɛ na nkɔ sɛ deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɛno nso asikɔ na deɛ me nya no nyina no sɛ sɛ na bɛkɔ deɛ a ɛne afɛ ɔpanin na yɛfɛ no Marcus Rashford ono and the din edi kan our transfer woman list no so our boys woman nyina no and so ayo boys am no kase man you mpanfo no say woman so mba so mo jo mo kwan na Chelsea Rashford atuamu and what Casemiro nom and Chelsea player ye fan euro on Bisaka me usa meza akomya akoko postu sa Chelsea Bisaka beten kamasa akoi botu kama say ade na Bisaka sanya mu biem Bisaka din so na piamu wa ha no and what you are from Faranum and Chelsea factual in Dala Fire Magra eti asaba mu biem and what you Sofian Amrabat and player ye fan say Christian Eriksen Jerry Sancho and Anthony Martial and after Anthony wamom arabe player sama kuma kre lovena report to me nyana sa manager no etom di ade ato transfer say ye njo mo kwa mo nko achese ne nyina no ensom na update aba na mom ye bisa coach ni sa ase dru ba bia mo create problems ama mo ho Bola Manchester but to me take lead. Na Manchester for kokwasa no man lose. Manchester gama komwa asa grow no man concede. Was a juba be omo kasa the create aye problems. Ademo mo sadia no I was say CZ I was say Jai Timber some mind you and you cross a Sanyo Mano and some Akoso Yentio Kocha, your friend Eric Ten Hag.
Stop this process. We can't stay making such mistakes. On top level, if you want to achieve your targets, if you want to win trophies, then you have to stop this process. So we have to keep the focus. You can't allow such mistakes. You focus on discipline, and because you make your life much more easier when you don't make such mistakes. And you see the team is progressing. How many goals did we score from January on? So attacking, we are very creative. We creating a lot of chances, but defending stays always the most important fact.
Yes, not just I know I am some Manchester United Mogafan in here. All right, fans, just a 10 hag and out test our so mass improvement table from January ABC, the month of April. New man Kokamanum, Yana attack the Chirono, and I just assembling now, I just a moment assembling now, and I didn't accept Emma reporter. Meme second so when exclusive, and not just a general, exclusive on Senra, Yakachos and slot, ayo be a Liverpool Jumano, one and a babe, Samino Casa Van Dyke, Aquaco manager Basso. Now, and slot at Yameti Cross, one shot confirmation, a bet me about, and said be at this weekend, and so drew. Now, also, I am confirmed at Liverpool, and a Feyenoord, and Tam Ayakama, and into compensation fee and Ra. Now, make us much was about 10 million dear. I was selling Liverpool, a bet me up, Aquaco Druba said 15 million euros, no, and no our no exclusive, and it's Enra. Yes, we are Liverpool, Eluzi, Merseyside Derby, our Everton, the last time, when we call Zubi, I 14 years ago, and I'm 2010, near and slot, Asha Martinibi. Now, Jamesa can say, and you know, quite a chance I came, no, Metesa and slot, or no, and in the backroom staff, and an actual TV at here, woman some Asha born a Liverpool Ebono, yes, in your man and who and what, just an young Shano, and what was now decisions beyond Mamsa, Jurgen Klopp, and taking ye, many Janet Fools say, and what born on TV at your Washabino, as Jurgen Klopp, ye mistake, decisions libi ho. Now, Jamesa and say, yes, and slot, and now make us say, and I said, your Telebu bar, when I just said Trent Alexander-Arnold and your beer, I also man about 2. Yes, what did you about a burn over fast, so baby, 8 also now the 2 early number, Jamie Gadan say, and slot, Ebenya, Waba change a Trent Alexander-Arnold position. I just say, and I can't throw Rano, and some as well, our brown something now, yet the Emia for an pay, and some our Shonos and what gamer, one was a Colusi on some farmer striker, you found a Daniel Sturridge, or say, just Sadio Mane Queno. Muntimi replaces Sadio Mane. Etimo yes I and there be Queno Sadio Mane no. Mon function with him say, Wabamu Jai Ama Sadio Mane Queno, Munya Obi Amane Maya Mane, and so Jumana. Now Oyamamono, I know you one, and watch your game club, our manager, and some Liverpool and Ra. Now, Jetanasa, what Jatum says one problem. I go scoring. Now, I deal back when I say, one to me create chances in the power. Now, so why not Cabana to Tottenham, Darwin Nunez, or could you go to Panama? No, done it, Nicholas Jackson, I just a hard power. Many Janus go, share, and no, and I just a problem. And my Liverpool, Yantia, manager, fantasy club.
And so then we create, but we don't score often enough. So, yeah, and that doesn't help. It's not like you know in a situation like that you don't score and then just so you have forget it. Who cares? You cannot act like you scored 15 goals in the last 2 games or whatever. So you can see that, and that's a problem. But we have to keep doing. You have always like this. You have to fight through these periods. That's how it is. It was never different. And people ask me already about mentality. The mentality has different aspects. It's not a problem of attitude of what the boys want. Nobody is doing anything like that on purpose. But it's my job to bring them into a situation that they feel confident.
Yes, not just many janabas who just a bimu crowd questions, and you be a boys and attitude, and you are the Massanya, you penisa, and they live up at the baby on day, and it's a club, and some action from our brand new Mabasasa. Now, and Roman legend, I found say Jamie Carragher, or reference Carragher, or say Munya Central Defender, because Ibrahim Konate Masa will Chawa Taburita. Was say Ibrahim Konate, Wasa, Wanyadi, and what did he about Mohammed Salah, or some now more question essence what did he ever say Salah and you say and I'm Mohammed Salah support the ball one shot who Salah of late our branches a modern man perform now baby and training through any akadana you find Darwin Nunez was say your man first season we end the second season. The most what can you answer? Yahuno after 2 seasons. I'm so bueno. Joining me America tour now press it. Nebia or Massa Bona Casabia for Bonnet Twat and Bra. Somewhere Mupebi be some Bajano Choir, Munyano crying Jamie Carragher on Darwin Nunez Yentino.
You want him to do well, so I think I'm at the stage now with Nunez where I don't think there is a question to ask. I think after 2 years at the club, and I've probably been guilty of this, you want him to do well so much, there's so much of what you like because he gives everything, he runs, he causes trouble, he gets the odd goal, he causes an assist. But after 2 years now, and when Liverpool and this season are going for the title, and those big games, you need your man to score away at Old Trafford, away at Goodison, in the European game at Atalanta. There's no time to wait. This is not October, November. This is the business end of the title. I think after 2 years, I think we've all been in squads where someone comes and we talk about maybe the first year where you say, okay, he's getting up to speed with it, he's improving, he's getting better. And it looked like he was at the start of the season, and it's ground to a halt. And you're looking at it now, and after 2 years, I don't think there's going to be a massive improvement in him after the 2 years. I think what we've
yes, not just after 2 years of Pabrantia Fanasa, Darwin Nunez, our Anfield, NHS and the Montesono, say, and yes, Papa Bia, and so I bet you from our Braweno, Jamie Carragher, and I'll just say, Dennis Semino, and my for Oko Vadeba Shadrach, Mamma Rima Dromoman, and Nano Promo training, news a woman and say Tibu Kotua, one team training, and what you fell on Mendy, and so Mantiano, and some training up. Bad news and say a bunch of us should Bellingham. You say gastroenteritis and to boy when to me and your training and I pay our brand make say not just a shoot and the team and training and our container. Your father say Rodrigo Sodiano metis a flu and it's not just our container and some training. I mean, to Machina, when we talk about Real Sociedad, Senamecan and Ratrono, when we are fly and no I am Monday and a Bambokua. Your father say Madrid, Germany, our Tuesday. Woman of Bavras of Bamunche and a Babo, Wabam of Bamunche and Abanana, Bamunche Sutron, our Sabana Strasser, Serge Nabri, Leroy Sani, Sasha Boy, Bunasa, and Kinsley Coleman. Woman so me and your training our promo game. I was saying, and also a boss weekend, the Ansana, woman so any remarkable for General, and no answer to me. Now report to me and say, can I come? What can someone up Pellegrini? Tell him, sir, we're 96 points or so league in the Crowan to me. Now, Jose ebe peja ba ni mudu koi. Meno ka say this is a Real Madrid ebe timi anya 99 points our bra. Wamo ADG League adi yesu wamo now so our bra just a pep wamo now so be rezi bano and so across our bra this season. Real Madrid aye saida wamo timi amase 99 points. Lemom metis a manager Fernando Ancelotti say wabe akwadane Fernando Kepa Sompa. Wobi anka ide ne ba won hye anya bi na nka bi oben no ho and then na kwa mo abro mo Champions League ne kwa no asem fan ho ne mom se wo hwe ya me be ka cho se wa brom ne boboku a ye fan se Man City abo ayakapa ana ka cho Andre Lonini Samento ho Bernardo Silva Oba fanfifi ampa Oba fanfifi yese bana se we se remain calm now what da aye professionalism e dinti no yeso obetini nya La Liga matches ni bi ada a chese wan hwe kwan I likely say bi otena wo mu game against Real Sociedad kwan no ebetini ba se goalkeeper ye fan se keeper ebetini adam na ye kan some P no pay from Enra. Now me can P at the trauma say Ghana time a ball 11 and a player and a joint press conference at Basel FC Barcelona a press president your friend Juan Laporta and a manager friend Xavi Omumieno and some number Chilemesense Wakaya and JP and Xavi Bakaya at 27th January and Okasi we season where the Najuma Air Tour 24th April and now so officially La Secada na just Xavi stay na a conference MP about Onumsameno Kasai Basa board Emwachemienu ebi se Laporta you mama ebi so for Laporta so ya the one chomoni na banamo ni jame se kan say Shaq maminano persomeno Kasiano na just so real for Laporta one some ababe drew babia ya kan say no so just some promises so babia press conference bas we no pay a just Laporta ni one ababe drew jaminya so already deco our ground so that Rafa Yaste as our Boan Kenkech our Yordi Masip our and Juan Soler as our woman in our Bassa premises on ma Laporta and Swaba Xavi Banisa I just a press conference in Basso. Now my front to when him say yes Wabra Koba says Xavi Ayasa Jumano Wabaso trust with Enro and Kwanke Sebia condition be so and Xavi is so pay yes Xavi Ajatum say when deco ever corporate Nempo dia senen dia safata was one my Edema Bobokua your fan is a Barcelona woman some about the Kama our brought Jaminiano a B and some and say deco yes what Bessa Ronald Araujo este and also many Janabetias here I'm a Corona Fanasa Ronald Araujo and some este I'm a Nyomanino and some Akokama Adiama Saida your fan is FC Barcelona and what Jamese Caninano and some other coach your fan says Xavi Abaso Besteno Metis a board members no yes Ebimuso Pamazavis CA now all to me name from a diagro now for Munyet Debbie Maya and then I'm a come one Sobako I feel qua was a main board members to be say Laporta and Pama Zafi yes what caso permanent Zavi Swamo Pamana Nisika was what Jenna Nessis one for one CD Enche Basa, one for 10 pesos, Enche Basa, Obetin, Enche the Jumanum, also cost warrior, and to board members will be cracked, threatened, say, and you see on a Bacodia, not just a wall of porter, and Ninu Cramomo, Womusunya, Umber resigning, I just a resignation, yes, we must so threatened, say, on a Bacodia, and you must some resign. Now, Vice President Rafa Josti, one was into the Imagine Passaberia come new, somewhere next year, not just a Basa coach is anyhow also many and some come new our stadium no waba no started some renovate and this abayamono dia our Xavi and some let me bam amani nyina so akokama and some amatuntina wo press conference our bransema wo adaba to dwane nyina no ye ba betwen na ye tie bi achese no and some update eba honsem no ye de MH for life I was show no so Shadrack mama NBA ayade sa mu awards no kakra we and some 6 man of the year. One of them are Nas Raid, just a Nas Raid, your Bonobo, and my Minnesota, Timberwolves, and some Ayakurana and Ajana, plus no Jalen Brown, Abwa Ama Miami Heat, and Boston Celtics. Menoka say, I 1-1. I was our conference on our face. I shot gorgeous Alexander, and so 33 points Abwa. I'm OKC, not just Oklahoma City Tender, and some Achum Omoko 2-0 against New Orleans Pelicans. I just know. I said, the city, I won't say, yet by your first number, your fundamental fee, Yamna to us life as our Sompa 93-1.
And so then we create, but we don't score often enough. So, yeah, and that doesn't help. It's not like in a situation like that you don't score and then just so you have forget it. Who cares? You cannot act like you scored 15 goals in the last 2 games or whatever. So you can see that, and that's the problem. But we have to keep doing. You have always like this. You have to fight through these periods. That's how it is. It was never different. And people ask me already about mentality. The mentality has different aspects. It's not a problem of attitude, what the boys want. Nobody is doing anything like that on purpose. But it's my job to bring them into a situation that they feel confident to do it.
Yes, Mezana Bibia find it.
Experience.
Oh, okay.
Bibia okay. So somewhere.
That is the most important.
And AI Pep Guardiola da.
Oh, okay.
On the AI Pep Guardiola no go for need di ho nkomo.
Sompa Sports.
Elite FC, Elite Club FC, aka Badge of Honor FC, Elite Club FC, aka Badge of Honor FC. Equals to quadruple dream. Tell me say association yaba. Or the stand boy. Hey. Badge of Honor.
Oh, I do too much.
Badge of Honor, aka Elite Club FC. So I'm going to AI generated Pep Guardiola. So I'm going to find him right channel. That is how I tag not with the tag and free Dutch league. Mark with me legal. You can club grant to me. Now Pep, will not be to me Pep AI.
No more than a banner fans way.
Fancy.
Van Dijk crash story requirements me and your many crap pass or say on many jana in the philosophy in your maybe chess. Or bet me a coach Liverpool. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now we're in the league back open what you Dutch league. And I'm a boy. Tell me what you say. Huh? What you twas so 1, 2, 3. On no crowd by no crowd or munuso. Now AI Pep. Fancy mine, and
you're shocking because Sean Dyche first Merseyside derby no Liverpool 2-0. The last time was 2010.
You're very beyond to fancy. I think reality is dawning on Liverpool, especially this season, with how competitive they've been. What am I say? Liverpool have most of the time looked vulnerable in some games. And this season, I want to say maybe not Liverpool now were the most number of goals when it comes to 80 plus minutes walk on. And no more share teams now hold on, they are open. Not teams now show man as a team need to be defend. Yeah, maybe last time Liverpool day. No more we need those games. So those things were happening. I'm not saying Liverpool were no good, but mentally they were tough and they were overcoming those moments. In these instances, time this goes in your money in it is obedient and walk a crabina so say Liverpool. Liverpool will need to strive better than what they are doing to get the goals. And during that time, so no more goals ni free or more banner. Now Obenya Mo Salah, Obenya Darwin Nunez, Obenya McAllister. Nwenya Luis Diaz. And a praka crabbe bear moi, Diego Jota Subeshe Monosu in the goals by Diego Jota Nio. Luis Diaz is not scoring. Darwin Nunez the more chances in to go. Mo Salah has not been in himself in terms of scoring a lot of goals recently. McAllister so as a born because check Liverpool lineup now. Players on most matches they are more McAllister can be. Why you not from there? Eddie Amomo. So it's high time somebody also needs to step up when it comes to such instances to deliver. And then go second go nearby. Me have a Nike Dean. I'm say no. Second go nearby. Me have Van Dijk Dean. Call fast so I'll fumble the way crowd went to me and call the area draw with because now blocking the quite kakra. And born the tournament and I always had a feeling that Everton is going to cause an upset. But Everton I had here. You have more points to fancy. And so more maneuver their way to still be in the league. I think they are doing a very good job. But the title race is not over. City so soon try. You see, one thing you are failing to understand here, MSS say no, the standard net that one year Manchester City so much me call be 6 games, 10 games unbeaten obi antimi show mo. Which is true. I agree. It is factual. Or my no. But if there's Manchester City team here, I'm not fully convinced. Say tomorrow we know next 6 matches na kana this particular Manchester City team. They might win the league. But say omun lose and omun draw and omun lose point along the way, no. I don't believe it.
Arsenal will drop a points beam.
Arsenal will drop point. Liverpool na kasa point now are dropping and one no. City will also drop point. If Arsenal should win all their next games, so remember 89 points. Last season, 89 points in the G League, you know. So automatically they are reaching that limit of winning the league with that particular 89 points. But what check fixtures now can I fancy Di Maria? Arsenal no Tottenham Hotspur bo. Arsenal or Manchester United bo Old Trafford.
Bibia bet me see. And me fancy me make bi me Arsenal fan e bia won me nya adwen. But Old Trafford won dey oba waso be ehye. Waso be ehye. Old Trafford won dey. Sompa Sports. Waso be ehye. Inti en fan show trim say
Manchester United no ba Old Trafford wa be fa ne fala away game me metimi me say Sibuaka say Arsenal would do justice to that. But Old Trafford forget. Pressure ne be ba so pop. Sa Chelsea boy ya no mo si mo chi na mo ntimi hye mo no. Old Trafford ho ne ni sa agro no ho. E beti woni so say wan. It's a function with team. Liverpool is not ready to also lose any points. By Manchester City, no so game be against Tottenham Hotspur money number 3 on baby so so mehe. It's fancy. The league is still open. It's abembo na abade but it's not over. The points gap is not huge. And Bibia betimi see at this particular moment in time to overturn. Maybe this will be a elite club FC into bracket badge of honor FC. Ehu omo say omo out of the race.
Sompa Sports.
No man kasa dey abi omo fancy. The badge of honor for Madaroma.
Because now club class say any title race ne per se say crown chances on be qualify for Champions League class so man here e be BBL.
Oh, the Champions League they will qualify. Oh, the Champions League they will qualify. That one cry. The way any sympathy asem club or any way asem. They be emotional as I won't qualify. Samasa. You want to pay your money move.
Shout out me the camera video be am say me wo so man no na so bet me a check odi mama me aka me ne be jepre no Arnold more stance in matches ultimo say written all over their faces say say hadwin
fancy
mama no emergency
they have to do with it themselves.
Yeah.
But fancy Mamiri Xavier Hernandez issue no kakra. And what the meeting with Daku on say more or less omu 2 players they were playmates at some point in time. And then the Bakwabe manager, Bakwabe sporting director. Now, in the meeting between the two of them, I think the reason why almost setting up the first meeting between Deco and Xavi alone was to settle their differences in the first place. In the transfer markets, Barcelona suffered a cry in terms of getting some key players beyond the mobile. And Xavi might not have also agreed with some choices of Deco at some point in time. So one, they needed to settle that particular score. Then understand what the project will bring next year. With players who is going to be the face of the club. Also, no coming to a consensus. No more agree at that part. It's in a Laporta train who free mono. It is a minimum common way. Most sort because a German between the sporting
Sompa Sports.
I'm going to discuss whatever is going to happen next season. President in the say Obesha Kwambo Fasoa, Omo provide funds and the needed support. And the HB Yama then Mumi no more said the atono. Ombet Mama na bem because Jimudi. No muri no mobile no better so be this ankomo na isi bibia kwakosi. But say Uri Xavi Hernandez pana on one kasa no make the right choice. On the other part, Barcelona kasa no so make the right choice and in keeping Xavi Hernandez. Me no from time memorial, Mimi say Laporta on pe coach Odin. The story of Xavi Hernandez is more I had to say right Frank Rijkaard time be pay more Barcelona no. Because no Barcelona supporters need Rijkaard power. The first season they felt he was poor. It's ain't Rijkaard kran man nko free team ni nko baby kran kotena. The same Laporta ya etina say back Frank Rijkaard that second season kran your man far at the start of the season. No more the relegation zone until say Omo pick up probably season is second and the third season they won the league and they also make sure so make match the UEFA Champions League. The foundation
Sompa
of Barcelona success between 2008 2009 about 2011 2012 the foundation was laid by Frank Rijkaard because they during Frank Rijkaard time to introduce you Messi. And me if it's Frank Rijkaard time na Xavi bo. Frank Rijkaard time na ye hunu the likes of Iniesta mo so mo rem into the team. E bedroom maybe in the span of the team na e hwan mo. Nya Messi mu ni Iniesta na Xavi mu na agebo. Ano mo de Busquets mo. Any PK mo be ye dey. E be titale so be kan ho bi ni Pedro mo. Laporta on pe din kese. Toma Rijkaard ja ho no mo ko e na Guardiola aba. Guardiola ne ba ye no na Guardiola no aba beto foundation dey asset dey atonto no so fa ne nim de. Eni ne mo ye ne Barcelona bi no so fa beto aso ko betimi a optive for obi a na ba be coach team no. But say open hwan Guardiola. Who knew Guardiola at that time? Guardiola ba obey dey. So the issue surrounding Xavi Hernandez issue is baby Barcelona Gina na Laporta sa be fa team no. Ebubu ti say mre bi atwam. abro be fa team no kofa right card ne buy. So he needs to give him the support. It will turn a chi, which to me it is a plus and it is something around Laporta you can change. But your statistics kaka. Is it true say Xavi Hernandez the right one obey me Abua club nana? In the past managerial history of FC Barcelona, say o check after Pep Guardiola free on Matito Vanalova by. Omo nyina no win percentage na win and 3 points and points per game no fancy. Anya kura na gina be 2.41 2.33 ne ade. Baby Barcelona fall here Ronald Koeman kike satien. So now they need to bounce back as soon as possible and make sure say omubetimi ama obietimi nya results in the so Xavi staying one fancy statistics need prove say he has done well. Number 2 was promoting La Masia. The heartbeat of Barcelona has always been about the La Masia. Winning the Champions League in 92, winning the Champions League in 2006, winning the Champions League in 2009, Champions League in 2011, Champions League 2014-2015. The heartbeat of Barcelona has always been the La Masia. Okay. And Xavi has always proven Hekubasi, Lamine. These are players as Xavi, Femi Lopez mo. All poor muso betimi amomo I pick up the pieces. No more be strong enough for FC Barcelona. So I think this is a decision now. Afani nyina no. Efadie, but remember this, football has no loyalty.
Mate, meza.
Drew maybe na nko ya.
Medase. Wo meba Varas na me the bishop awie e wo foreign afi Bafo Polo so e be ba na 3P Gallic Mission Makatro say e draw Pure Natural Health Limited homo ensa no na enye na e wadwa so ba bia be fair 20 bia wo kwa wo so pe 3P Gallic Mission bi enso ato eye edema ma eye edema mema ne mo your bank abon ye very simple say wa wo foforo anaso afafuro a enye ma ana afa akoda woni mu mfie dumie so ni kwan say wonumpi we eye droba kwa stroke etu ase ene mo a waye kese abrosu mo edudu wo fa drop nkra kana ba bedru kwa no odwane amesrew abomode anso be pedro ni bi enso ana menstrual pains no ebekọ uyo bia high blood pressure fei wo de no enso aye asthma ene wo so ana stress about stress one where ebeku anti bomode anse ni nyina no benya adro betimi aboa ama waji aye stress e de free oni pedua ni mo afenso uyo bia adwonso basa wo fu aye kutu aye bloated also no pa ase wo tinka sem from agina wo yam wo sugar level ni nyina na ye bema ne man so stabilize na fe ebe neutralize man ye man back to normal aye drive fan say 3P Gallic Mixture baby atondro bi akopa bito aye 0248 928824 0201 000021 and a kangen and I just drinking water and so on in the supano preco and no moon san conquer fire dear Emeka Unipedia way a so I survey our wedding engagement parties and the programs in say Jenny dear Yame Paya Mofano Mukosku Nakwadano as when you're fapping near Behadja Kwadani Koskua Ayafa kangen and so be shan bagum one emanin now rough off our classroom and manajuma daho arches and Susan so pa ebenya or banners say calcium nro afi potassium and magnesium ne iron and so ashemuma ebra ema chesa akodano esua de ye wo panin so boawo ema chesa nyoma nyina ye fine sansa akoma no e pompi moja ne ye e protect wo heart and afi liver no ebenya hoden afi kidney enso nyina hoden mapa kanjin enso enye na odru Breman UGC Tafo New Road and abawa Ruth a junction so abenya biato aye 0241 449191 0507 379474 now on a kanjen and pen for enkasa verse
okay yetiane say Barca forward decided
Sompa Sports
the best decision on me take
okay
because over Xavi near ba Barcelona team all year over the years wadi wo ha na ehun bi hia so obeto adwumade ni so oheba bia Barca gina sesi a eye se omu free nioma na omu ye ho ekoye de amanfo ye bi de enim Barca no La Masia na ya de na yom backbone giving them players omu hia to deliver for them. We've seen them. We can players on my Barca untimi Messi din free but he was promoted from one side or any buy but Barca free home and eventually the Barca kwako to a come and say oh can Basa here woman Basa ni mu nya clear say make man scar to play we are not players are me pa. It's because of that decision. Because of that profligacy buying they did and then hunya emfa. So for now you have Xavi or Bayern in that space of 3 years I say no. A 15 debutant from the La Masia no Diama Barcelona.
Yeah, intense.
The brightest sport a branch of any Yama. And where Modema ojina Basa team or Basa supporters in the Brebufu ye. Wabra Paris Saint-Germain Barcelona boy in film because they feel so no they their own. Or no year Jumane so to me the momo. So for a person like Xavi and so her Basa team this is here currently omu nim say you war sikabi the baby is here kwa kwa 2 players. And some benya players crow mo peno and so another thing I bet me the home combo. Players or mo kwa peno your teams are financially or capable on bet me for players no edia aja Barcelona. We've gone over eras na near case Barca with that tradition, Barca with that win ultima. Players in choose Barcelona ahead of some teams. Now players know they need money. And when they know say you are not going to give them what they need, they will not come to your teams. So they needed someone who understand omo. Na oti omo nyoma ase no be adwuma na dia omo. Laporta is someone who will be there. The first time Bayern, he improved every aspect of Barcelona in terms of winning trophies, in terms of improving the social so much about Barcelona, Sikasem and everything we improve here. And for now about Barcelona team, we've seen your man for Barca to be in this state. Not the kind of players of Munya. Barcelona winning league, at this era. Last season they won the league when Xavi Bayern.
Because Coleman almost dinner terms are
sure. But Xavi Bayern, Wababe winning league need their momo. In the second season or so, no man kuye this season, no man fam mano. But so when no man na air course na time a Coleman or Xavi Bayern. You could see say Coleman wa coach over some period of or coach teams like I said, Saddam team the Premier League ever team na wa coach omo. But Oba Barcelona we saw no man oye. Xavi is someone or Saudi Arabia. From Saudi Arabia to the Spanish La Liga.
Qatar.
Yeah. From Qatar to Saudi Arabia. And Barcelona, Spain is here, I can say. And you know that when you have 2 different things, and coaching Barcelona, a team one, or Mundim say, trophies, beautiful football and all that. But he's rubbing shoulders with the likes of Real Madrid more. At this era, the players are Real Madrid for not talking about. Should Bale Amun na baba ni na more or no Musia kind, but he won the league for one more the last time. So the best decision I know about me taking is that Xavi needs to continue. Currently as we speak, say Xavi kwa coach is not since near saying. They will need to come and understand the Barcelona DNA. Go to the market and get them some players. How sure are you say they are going to promote players from the La Masia to come and do no Barcelona? Adia unimi so free one. Many a times in so I did banana and Bassa free hono. Now you be a Bassa could do. So the best decision on me are taking now, they need to iron the things that don't Deco and Xavi no Montanasi. Try to get Bassa to that pedigree, that level of Bassa one. Well, I said the best in a Bassa timid my the kind of football no. So throw Bassa history. Lamasan will take center stage. Yeah. Providing quality players and Babe deliver at the match in Barcelona. They provided players that they play for like 10 to 15 minutes, delivering on all fronts. So I think that is the best no beat me here. Or Monshala Machine Mokina, Naka crack, Javi went on to Tona. He will make mistakes. Said the Indian so a new coach or a young coach, Afin Urban, he will make mistakes. My young fat the managers need beer or one age, and family no matter say we've seen maybe Alonso be our in team new crest but he's won the league for team of Barcelona against Real Madrid against all odds. He won the league for them, so your best decision over take, and I hope say Urban he will learn from his mistakes. One thing me Chadam Pewo Xavi home and temperament when he's at the bench. Okay, so your player no who say no the red cards are but obey a coach no.
And then Kazola say Obizana say na dia na asesa because time no bobo no nyese na out here obey coach die
ojina bench wa pressure walls no e do so chance ojina park ne so because coach say bibia anko e park so ye to nya wanim ne ye changing tactics, making sure the players deliver yenko can players they will come at you the pressure no so power coach the last time now can it was I say all of a sudden Alonso and Nimani the kind of thinking I be coach na na can be na Javi I know yes I know fancy say no man kuyem farm out team and out is a man for cancer in the space of baby 2 weeks I saying what is say Carragher, they need to move on from Salah and Nunez.
Yeah.
A person this season, bebe 50 games are bono. Obetimama Samuel bebe 31 goals involvement, 18 goals and 13 assists. Because of Neoma and Kuyente, we say we need to move away from them. For Salah, I understand. Because Salah since so prior or AFCON Asia or Bayern, he's not been the Salah we know. Ujina Park and so ni body language, you will see a normal crown, you could see that and yes, Salah.
How so when you be moving on?
They can say club kono. Club the Mbappe, we are expecting say be on to follow. In say how Saudi Arabians need Hiano to make him the face of our league, you know. TB on Boga Pesika Kakao. But for Nunez, I disagree with Carragher. No one then call him for man, or what chance is good, of course. But these are players I anymore say, or what chance is no good. But no more the man more than goals are watching. When Nunez is in the team, the kind of pressure they mark the opponent defenders. The kind of runs are here, the kind of unsettlement or unsettled opposing defenders in the team, you know, sometimes I know what means, you know, a branded area. So for me, I disagree with Carragher. No one name Koyi. And I'm after I say questions about signings at Liverpool and all that. Because no one name Koyi and from my team friend Liverpool, but these guys, they are delivering. Nunez, the second season here over Liverpool. And Liverpool, no, they've seen top strikers. So I'll be here for now. So here. The last strike will be the man team of Liverpool. You make mention of Suarez. So for him filling the shoes of Suarez, and yet simple, sir, but he's doing his bit and he's young. He will definitely learn on the job in the Premier League. Everything that comes with playing the Premier League, he will learn on the job and deliver for team of Liverpool. And I think that you need to watch. And Liverpool this season, they've went behind for 15 times, and it's something that. Because Liverpool will come back 15 times. It's something that Liverpool so it's about time in legends sometimes Kasani Buha Omuzu Enka say be a bit my hectic boys no na ma ezwetima say I like this one resigning so Coppa Italia now to qualify for
Sompa Sports,
and you need to respect contract. All statistics, you know. The target was qualify for the Champions League and win us the cup. Now he's in the final. And gradually, he's qualifying the team to the Champions League. So to me, yes, I support him for not resigning because 2025 na contract year. And so we see in the backroom staff, so when they were more 20 million euros now. Who says that be me 20 million euros not to Dabi, he's delivering. I won't say the results are here for your penny. But targeted the man, so achieve you have nothing to do than to let him continue. Fancy.
Okay. Well, first, Medasi, Meba Bishop Atapukuo. Now, Kolon Ghana Limited, Hunchun capsules, a memedro. Mr. Manamon Kon, so Kunudis, one confirming Nomna and Kufasem, Emma, dear, and man, Timinum, the account was some way. And so I Hunchun capsules, when was a Bema, a Johnsona or Tayao, Ewan, a Bemem, and a simple, Johnsona, or Shadow, Hunio, many, Debbie Autos or Bema Mwashawa, a draway and a Bebuao, Amasad, and a free ayo Bemem, a Bassa Cranian Susan, so Bonnet our modern bosso, Nasambo, prostate, and so by Sedabea, enlargement and entrinity, a Bebuao, amateurs or Memasem et Miesi Piesita, Onum Sadrona, now the Mr. Kio and Swasso, as so a Bravo Kio, a Yasa, Johnson, ya, and they were Johnson, we are just a business, so a good shot in the Munino. I was so young, Mr. Kio, not a ye, a slow erection of free. I was saying lowly be dona, Sicilian echo, I was so system, I yet Dame Bema, the also Pampe, Natchez or system, Wujina, so Arches, and yet you market to a cry, dear can I say premature ejaculation, I feel low spend counting in Ano, I am Mr. Kio and a Bebuao. Never saw your bar now, but say irregular menstrual flow, echo, and I say, I won't some say, I will pay trouble who I would anymore, now Bema menstrual pains or cramps a bar, Yana John Wen, Jobu on Canada Bay, Korea, our hospital, most phoning in an bar, a dread furnace Araba Bazin tablet and a Bebuao, Araba Bazin tablet, and Yana, Yakunupia, Kachanus on Tobim Roy Sanswino, and your ferry, Tomo Yarie, Nwanya no drona, Abuama, Newman's Aye Kama Amau, pharmaceutical shops and a herbal shop, Biamukwa, also Pedrebi Ato, 0244 275429, 0206 275429, 1016 na chese kunu enso dro no wajibi Boris B akoko nam no ede akoko de stew a eka wo de bon kwan a eka chese aduano no awie na siwo no obi nkan tro se aroma ne ano hye a chese ne nyina no enso Boris B akoko na mo ye orders mo a motonton nuane ton restaurant nom ne chese choban eating joint ne nyina no Boris B asian kan tro se mo meje full chicken and a chicken thigh chicken wings and a chese gizzard nom and layers ni nyina no benya biwe halal and to Drew Bantama High Street to benya bia to ne Presby sorry dia no hwa Swanse market and afi poku trading ewa dum shell ewa body junction nyina no won sa enso ebe count here 0544444453 na Boris B enso Mobi Bishop
Fancy good shall say with some quick birthday wishes now. Yeah, entire enjoyment. So me and
Sompa Sports.
Mr. Samuel Kojo Jumo, your school near friendly Latu. 2 or 3 science 1, 3C1. Samuel Kojo Jumo, Latu, or head of department, general nursing department, midwifery and nursing and midwifery training college or. Don't call nothing. Latu, happy birthday. Your bumpire said you're such a great man. Mr. Samuel Kwakujmo. Latu, happy birthday. Yamin Shaw. Nadio from all of us here, you've been a good brother since. Latu is going to 21 years. Hey. Samuel Kujampon, and so our circle pon, or CEO of K77 Sports Ventures. And then the birthday, Sammy, happy birthday. Yamin Shaw. Samson Authority, Nana Chai Bois.
Sompa Sports.
Happy birthday, Mami Akosia Sikasi. Show happy birthday. Happy birthday to you and everything. Fancy. All the conversations surrounding Javi would always point to one thing: bridging a gap, securing the present with an eye on the future. Enra, Edim Commander Maker said, didn't your money abrase Javi in some green in Ano? They are aware. To Chikibegistan, say the contract with Pep Guardiola ends in 2025. And news coming out and they say, on it Chikibegistan in Abbey Free at the same time. Again, Ateta's contract also ends in 2025. And then there is the option of Xabi Alonso or any other good coach, like Girona coach. No? Pep Guardiola, any City Football Group, no, Pep Niniano, I'm not in charge of Girona. So they would have inside information. In the same Javi Etna, then he is providing an avenue for Barcelona to look at their options beyond the present. On one Casano, he could probably even manage the politics well.
Yeah.
And then decides, okay, fine, I'm good enough to continue. He was firm and consistent. Not one, not two, more than 3 times. In Central for Shada Kopushin in Javi, when you sure say, Asemia, okay, Obeda, no, say Debbie, the American and American, meaning Nintia missing Mijai. But now he's sacrificing his individual good for the greater good of the club because he needs to put the club in a position where Abraham Bekosa or Ompe coach Biono, the finances will be better. It is very critical. Moka Sabia and say one day, Barcelona say player win the Cabe no more decoto.
Yeah.
Barcelona per coach, and then the coaches
Sompa Sports
release clause. I just saw trigger. Inti okani nyina boma, it's not worth it. So obije dwuma ho ene, ebe ha club no. Ebe ha Laporta. Ene no ankasa no so eventually say no si do club no. Ebe ha no. Inti yenya butre. Yemfa afi ba kon ka ho. Na ehwe de so de body ho no ebe fa. Me gidi pa say no ho eginaye ene omasi a ene omu nyina aba no. Omoba no ma ka che nsampa. Wajatum so de mfie no bako ebe saka ho no we di djuma amanioma konkan. The good thing for the club currently is that unlike previously, and the Barcelona players are betting at home money scapa.
Yeah.
Nansemuna uka na wasi hwan. Ombono mobono. Alejandro Balde no Crimson by. Gavin by. And then Lamine Yamal is way, you know. Barcelona intimi and Koswa and depending on these youngsters. But so Obi Owa, who at first hand how to play these kind of players under Pep Guardiola. Javi. Yet to Sergio Busquets ma only Iniesta na accommodating him to progress. Onukuru ya no so onya team ni mu wura ye no. O Bobby ye no. Fancy Nelson position na no obo no. That position ahead there now Rafa Marquez. If you number 5, ebe ball as number 6. Rafa Marquez is still in the setup. Luis Van Gaal and a massa on Iniesta eba Barcelona first team. But as you can understand, no munye bimbosa. But later they became mainstay post 2006. You say omabeji team no ejina so. Omudi onjuma. Nti emredru say sacrifices be am penyufo bi ye ma no. Oye bi ma Sergio. Any Isaac Kwenka no and emredru so say be ma say manager. And until Barracks about the number of debutants or different wabano, you've got to appreciate it.
Because I'm a case young Colano Hodgman want more opportunity and for being so.
And essence of a club legend. Now he embodies and symbolizes the greatest era in the club's history. No, had been so bit made dinner tembe. In some how young Kabe catch and as of a catcher club in the park, but we hear back community and so it's a Javintino. Mejai. It's important that we see it for what it is. It's a very, very big news for Barcelona in securing the present with a constant fix on their immediate future. And I'm happy for him. See, clubs like Barcelona and your coaching, even managing the politics of the club, and I never quite to me fancy managing these clubs on politics is so critical.
Nipa bako say Barca for Bonabasu and Laporta because even call presidential election Xavier campaign ama Laporta. But I say what the club no dona or the Edgeman man Xavi. So even politically say the whole kind of insiders no biana ever Xavi wasem.
Exactly.
For Laporta to stick to who even as of a nebi crisis to Yampamoa.
Clearly. They are Sompa sports. And then they are looking at it from a broader view. No, Akumia in Liverpool lost out after the Manchester and Crystal Palace games. It will take a miracle to come on. Yeah, no, come on. They are deflated. Liverpool only a same beam after FA Cup match. No?
Straight in the doom.
Like you could see. And a pen of a second goal on consider. Yeah. Who can of us defending? No, the first goal. Brathwaite the goal.
Because almost an V and a check.
Brathwaite made it.
Yeah.
So I then.
That's what no say Bobby and Crossola kind of.
Oh, okay. But
Sherlock so benya Everton first goal na I'm so for my.
Ball the bar Liverpool box in quite of us defending. It fits into what Virgil van Dijk is saying. There's no fight. They've lost it. They are human. They've not recovered from that agony of Ahmad Ngono. And here 1-2. The conversation ought to be a bit contextualized. I'm saying at the beginning of the season, our top 4, any one trophy and Kombeji.
Oh yeah.
Name omo season drew January na. Salako we pra but French players ne buy boy dem Krabi share Chelsea.
No.
It picked them up, but they are back to reality. Fancy. Oshe senior omusi bobo na. The defending is problematic. Liverpool Musha goals power. Don't let anybody deceive you. They score. There are some few games they will go blank, like against Crystal Palace, like against Atalanta. Fancy, but they are not defending well.
In a problem.
Yeah, and it's an area everybody should look at. First ball nearby, they lose the first header here. They've won the second header. Trent, hey, Bonabem, like. Just look at it for what it is. Just a sigh. Very much. Look, there is no desire.
Sompa sports.
No beat move.
I say, we're there,
you could clearly see. Ever, you could clearly see it. Ever. So I agree with the a meltdown. Which I'm more for both. Some of the platforms are matching me notes. No, but the good thing for them is to understand. Say, moja share. Edobe kwa kudu baby. Udu sa baby kona abepim. And team enya there, you'd always find easy targets and scapegoats.
Quebec's Liverpool bottle league, you know.
Yeah. No, Quebec's Sabi. They have had the chance 3 times. You know, who is still.
Because I'm sure say Arsenal injuries a bit Dawson and I say be a City dear Dawson to say Liverpool.
No find injuries in the trenching. But baby omu could do it. Still, I mean, don't make excuse for injuries. Only Liverpool no Manchester City. So much Manchester City side and City were done. Because in Combeco 5 points. And they had the chances to finish off that game. Fancy Liverpool near Sompa Sports. Yes, in the first half, and Arsenal share them. We go no more the take. That was a fortuitous goal. Namia Chediana Raya and the Gabriel Megalish at the Maum. Then they collapsed again. Alisson and Van Dijk. So in significant games, they find a way to go off. I'm on Manchester United or Old Trafford now. They were in control. Team Open League, you know, he finishes that game in the first half. But no match one. I'm buying Manchester United. Yeah, did that until and the game turned. So when moments come, you pick it up. Carragher is actually missing the plot. Because he is being emotional. Fancy. Carragher and catch Liverpool for say Gakpo Bobo wanted to say the all in slow motion. Right after the Manchester United game. Now he's moved to Salah, to Konate, Ebeka Obiantino. I'm just picking literally everyone. These people are not confidently up there. Sabriwe Yebra. I wasn't come here there saying the no more in January, February, because players no prepare or maba. But how come they are now bad or worse off compared to them? So yeah, they are done. No miracle, look. And the guys at the top of the league, they know how to win this thing. I've dreaded them all season. Every single time, Arsenal is not a problem. It's not. Manchester United, Spurs. Arsenal are not a problem. But it's the juggernaut.
City 4.
Look, they are a juggernaut.
And I don't want to be here.
Look, me how. Sompa Sports. First good said their palace here. They will find a way. That's why they are champions.
Okay.
They've always found a way.
Master Bishop, may I say, opening say on where there. Okay, well, you Bafu Polo, dim como, the Yashi, the Bishop Ashi, the Meza, and the Vras Muninashi, Yawada Bia, Bafu Polo, San, and no be announced washing. That's right, that's right. Boy, and Kuma is your first still.
No, yeah, that's a good soon. Asana Meshasi and said a Diane and check see if we Bafu Polo, so yeah, Ebama some petty for some para for baby or some perfect. And the Bafupulo say a cheaper, and I mean Shamo. Bafupulo say Bafupulo customers. I mean Shamo. No one to Butum, Nadibia, Montiminto Bafupulo, and say, and Fanya Mujuma Debia Moye. I feel I mean some pa workers in an answer. Right, fancy, and then no Bafupulo. Me Baham Reviva Casa Bafupulo, you're Juni Nipan. And so I said, Obi a business, para business, much like a crane, say Ghana had it. You know, maybe Brio or Hanoma, a bimu claims or Moyawaha, but Omone Chinese companies, any Japanese, ni other Western world or Eastern world companies, ni been a day. Against our so. Now, OEMs, no Mudia Eden, and to Tosso near the Aba, now or more air tongue, Ewaha. But Bafu Pulo, I say, and Yadi be this argument. Ye perceive ye be PRM. One, yeah, boy, Eddie at unemployment rate. So, yes, and you know, unemployment rate at 3.52%. Ghana and 33 million. Aha, and this 3.52% in around 1,192,000. yɛpɛ sɛ at the end of 5 years yɛpɛ sɛ yɛte 0.2% ɛfiri so.
That's right.
And if you strike 0.2 out of saa numbers here, you see it's a very huge number. Within 10 years, you better 0.4.
Gosh.
Young 20 years, ni de na mahu baby as a Bafupulu, a de Ghana, a Mebuno Muni Numaye, Echo. Tiene no Bafupulu see a be ya quine at hobim. Ye say ye recruitment, ye fanipa. And then Udna was say Unima de Pam, we a fashion designer.
Oh, fanipa.
Ye fanipa.
Wow.
We a fashion designer, we a seamstress, we a tailor. Now what say in the stretch of Santas runabout to thread Kumasi asem na making.
Line now so the community na say mumpo bi o chiripi but from Santas runabout ebesna ko Santasi ba ohwimu ne chezebo freedom
enyinambo foedu kochi
that's right ekusi thread.
Yes, bebu wa was surrounding no ubetimi afa number ya meba bebubui na wafre sa number ba ko pay am bebubui but modern na fa pen na tre sa number na frɛ so
unima de pam oyo ba na se bema
ba na bema fa sa number we 0599 899 919 Mesame Timubim 0599 899 919. All right, fancy. Yede ehono be konko ho ye kase ye ka ye
monfro now because so nipa na be ya yi ni nyina ne nsa be ko na no
sure nsa be ko ano
ti monfre
nsa be ko ano and
because no kwa na sa ma hu nipa pi
yes
what the build one kasa so
sure Bafupulu nso no enye se oba ya nso na ye mo akopam ade da bi de nti e ma ye nwumadi a ye di dance no you will trainers ye wo mo en no mo pam ntare ba ko to de 1500 2005 o mo no mo ye chief trainers ho no mti
na se bia okra be fu so no ma de pam ba ko dru Bafupulu ana bo se unsuanwi
and ye will be an so ho abotre ye hu the potential in you a ye be ma osa akonya na kirew ama so abe perfect na so ye de wa kan Bafupulu team no na won so watimi apam bi e de ama oman na fancy Bishop last week me ba na me ka asembi say yam intimate mu yi
okay
me koduri na bi mu frefre na omo ka na akolesem ne kales ya be ka de na o pese o chesen ase wo ye frintare semu ewura spiritualism mu nam say da bi ewiase na e wo na spiritual very spiritual ade bi anyankopon abɔ de anyankopon aye bia na obotae nti a ode ye
go ga so na hu say wi me red asanka akora nya ofe
kan me so ka be say ade yesu ba na si atiase
Sompa sports
bibi e koso bia no enti de na me pese me che last week ni tintini ni tietie nyina ne se bibi ni ya ade abrofo ya ye doubt now so yetimi ye nie the same way na broni nso ya ade bibi ni ya ye doubt yetimi ye nie ne bi nim se abrofo do mtimi ye de before nyina ye ntimi cite example say o kope akpole di na akoto se broni na eka you doubt it so what you say so na it ene no Bafupulu say comparison is allowed na me mfa mu nra mu ko akiri bia no yen hwe sports because sports yen hwe the sports of golf abrofuma bi before kwan say yen mo golf e dey na Tiger Woods ayo iriase
yes
you get it
or dance okra
yes yen ma yen akonya bi before akonya e wo bibia mu a ye excel ankasa si enya hu atu hu ache say ye be yes ade na ye ntoto na sekra ye mani ye yi ankasa mumie nyina hwe the Williams sisters Serena Williams and Venus Williams ye mo kwan so mo mra mebobi no they went straight to Wimbledon omo running out of opponents afi no mo ambom at finals na akoye agro e de ama abibifo mi wa agro no so eye agrofo ade and they will say about mu history and they pese converting the white or a boxer so what I say so me pese Ghana 40 as say Bafupulu ye tu ye ho ache say ye yes ade we ya abrofo ye wo de wo mugidie se okọ boutique obekọ akoto Lacoste na Louis V bia na bibi na wato ashama o feel confident mu no Bafupulu yes ade we ya ebro so kra ebro so kra enti ene no se wan fa ho anhyemu a me se ye kwaagyaw the word is ye kwaagyaw bafupolo ye kwaagyaw emre bi beba se de na me kan about unemployment rate hu asemi se wan fa ho anhyemu na omre bi beba wo fa ase bi wo benyina be panyini wo fa ase bi na bi be pa adwuma na fe wan fa ho anhyemu amoanti na ebi ana wo fa ase na anyamu kwan momi nyina fa ho hye bafupolo dwumadi ni ebibifo se ye adwen se ebeboa ye ho a bibi bia ye bia be kwa animu wo bra men say men me pese me de numbers ne beto tudwa
so bi pa atare ne bia atare nti e so chinchina nipa na bana mum susu na na
anya chinchina se e wo so ba san ye susu bafupolo ye production team no e very expert in determine obia size by just looking at nipa ne picture na ne video.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Enti ne o fa bia ye twa surprises. Who bia be so twa na surprise a. Eno an so be frɛ na de ne picture ana ne video e de be mayen. Ye hwemu e be hu se nipa we wo hye large, o hye extra large. Ana se o hye 2XL. Ni aye a packaging in neat. Ye packaging no so there. I tell you. Won sanya kapra say wow.
Wanu kwa le nyon na be kan me di hu adanse.
Ebu wey.
Watare ne ba as a crowd san ferry so betiano so be she
so what you say
na ka wardrobe
ebi mu crowd here decoration
say na make
because packaging na no packaging na no pa ebi mu crowd here decoration
my numbers no
0249
wo me say numbers na obe friend na opeso place you order sebia schools companies,
yes,
institutions, maybe I'm open mo Friday wear ne mo Wednesday wear no. I fra dodo bia mo pe bia bafupolo be twa ne nita mamo. Mo be sent me akire bi o me provide more options na mo ankasa mo say choose dia mo pay. Nti yensi numbers no so.
Numbers no 0249 600 789 0249 600 789. Yen second number ni 0599 899 919. Yeah, fancy. Dia na woka ho asem sisi no. Me din kiya magana for ne Sompa tie for ne ahefo nyina hu say yen location wa ahema kokoben.
Okay.
Obi o be so ye working no. No hu dwumadi aye di ho. No ne din sa wo so ahema kokoben. De hian so number si a wa fei. Unya duru ahema kokoben a wo be frɛ. Wo frɛ be ma direction na mo be.
Sompa Sports.
Ye delivery service. Eko baby biara wo man mu. Ebi a wonso baby a woni mu twen wa Accra o hoho o Togo o he na pese e delivery ne de ma wa e delivery ko baby biara nti wo frɛ numbers na wo place order na ne a delivery no e de ama kama social organizations ya na ka ho asem ye special order e de mo nyina corporate institutions, schools, banking, telecommunication, MTN, Tigo for ni ade and I'm telling you I am having communications with one corporate institution bi private na the manager is loving it. Unsa me baha e wasa me kasa e de to from ma obia timiti ase but me drew n'anima me sa ni di nkomo e cheche nyoma bi money options no. He was like wow a Ghanaian company e dis adwuma we at this price with this package. It's too much.
Sompa Sports.
And never football see place another today. That is delivered tomorrow. Challenge you, me say me dey ato.
Oh, be behind me. Me ba nya so be en kawade so be atwenti obi an.
Who dey walk in Sompa have ka kire fancy. Ana bishop, ana sa apostle. Ana obi bia o ha bia sports crew ni bia say. Ba football me place order. Omo share me that way ama.
David obi eno.
Ye ba be tia wade am.
Mate, ye da mase. Wo, ti ba football. And Tadena for African Prince, Anomodi D. Omujuma, Omo de Power Tarens Mounswa, Baby Abeso could be a bit me, Ashe, Ako, Arches, and Nilimpa, always yes, the eternity. And Moon Fan Ambassador, Moon Fena Moon Pibi, and so yes. I don't must say, you could break an Amanum Shak, Yemfa Betwino, and so regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana, not for persons below 18 years, but we say, get way more, www.betway.com.gh and our best sign up cash out no automatically with me set now what you open so abem monitor and what you manually arches and nyina no wonya no baby a Betway enkwa na ma sa kwanyai wo kwakwa deposit nso aye nyisika entisha no nso ema me say wonya no baby a Betway and ama sa kwanya na amanyo man so aye find them are the most reliable betting platform and so no get we more ye ko break aba ba na yaba be rem e wo fie fa commercials ne kakra bi aba yaba
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afraid I'm in the call. Men crata cranny.
Hey, any me connection man for den go for secret when you tell the musano.
Oh, Express Group had darumenti. I can't to hire for. Ope so to kwan kosiandia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, any Germany. Say a tour and as a visit in Swa. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, any Germany. Mo amu person mo to kwan koye jumansu. Obet me do wako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Kwai Kumasi Asafo Labor runabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashibi Girl Filling Station. Promo Ahomacho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Ejadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfisia dumienu anum bi wo pemfo ane oba wo ma akora nufo enso anum bi time HH Heba Mr. wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Ejadro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there that's so evident no way
who that the evidence by that ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey amoku hu Ashford Princess and now bra ko dudie no so Ashford Galaxy wodie na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
that Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto na tumi ba udodomi ye dwane bia akwahyehe ho Ashford Prince Ashford Princess Ashford Friendly Ashford Evident Ashford Executive ni Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na akofra bedwaso etu phone 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag it.
And that's okay.
What time you see about Queen Wayne say?
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy me fear for any idea about ever so.
Maybe I don't this offending now.
Bra, so me case me the time about Mr. Huadansia. We are seeing now a better maker. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mr.
I never go, dear, and what I want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink and your mark or bar waffle through. Dear, what mark for down for any aquada when you fear do you and some of the time about Mr. Drabill. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, who a GD Maria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziva a woman. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers and the herbal shop to do namu. FDA aji a judging kratoi at all.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. I'm not for in the middle, you've got all the control, but cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Passion Daily Jackpot. You always get way more with Betway. enipa baako pɛ ɛna pam adeɛ hyɛ wo a obi ahyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obi mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no wɔasua nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yi adwuma ɛnti sɛ ɔdwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhome bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ biara ɛnti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, V-neck shirts, ɛne pii ɔpam atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques ɛnti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma wo churches, fan clubs, schools, unions ɛne ɛkuo biara wohia dodoɔ no ɛde ma mo members no ɛne mo students no mo mmra mo nso a mopɛ Friday wear ɛde ama mo workers bafo polo ɛtwɛn mo ɔwɔ gold package ɛno ntade no ɛhyɛ mu aduro mu silver package ɛhyɛ mu du mu ɛna bronze ɛnso hyɛ mu du ɔyɛ delivery ɛkɔ ɔma mu afa na baabia bafo polo ntade no nso yɛhyɛ kɔ baabia na wɔpam ama ɛne mmarima nyinaa bafo polo ɛwɔ Kumasi ahenema kɔkɔbɛn santase ma boase kwan no so telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok